Hi guys, today we are going to be making a sword out of paper. You're going to need scissors, tape, and obviously paper. Get 2 pieces of paper. So first you want to get this piece, one piece of paper, and you want to roll it up. So it's like a tube like this. Then you want to get some tape, and then use the tape to to tape it so the paper doesn't open. So make sure you cover the whole part where you have to put the tape so there's no spots out. So like this. So you get a tube without holding it, it stays. Then you want to leave that aside. Get your other paper and cut a bit less than half of the paper. So you have one that's this big and then one that's this big. Then you want to roll them both up. You want to roll this one like this, so you can use that as the handle. So you want to roll it up. And oh yeah, before the video started, you can color it, but it doesn't matter. After you're done rolling it up, you want to make sure it's very good. Like you rolled it up super nice and taped it super tight so nothing opens, unrolls and opens. You don't want to make it too small or too big. I recommend like something about where you can put like your finger in the hole. That's good for size. And after that, you want to tape it shut so it obviously doesn't pop open. So after you've taped that closed, you want to tape it to the bottom of the other tube you made earlier. So you want to tape this like this. Super simple, it shouldn't be that hard. So you can tape however you like. I usually just tape one side and wrap it around and then tape it up to the other side of the smaller tube. So it stays in place. And then you have something that's like this, like a hammer. And then you want to get the other piece, roll it up into a tube, and then you want to tape it closed. Tape it so it stays closed. And so just make sure it doesn't open. Like you want to tape it tight, but not too tight. So then, after you've done that, you want to tape it like the other one at the top. So you get this, and you tape this onto the top. So yeah, that shouldn't be that hard, because for the other one, we did the same thing for the smaller one. Okay. This might take a while for me, but you can skip ahead if you want. So then after you've done that, you have a sword. Super easy. And you might want to use more tape so it doesn't get opened or anywhere or anything at the end. And then you can color it and stuff, and yeah, you get a sword. Very nice, huh?